China has publicly flies GJ-11 for the first time.
威龙1号，玄龙洞8已达6号车位。
威龙1号收到，已全能协同。
As part of commemorating the 76th founding anniversary of the People's Liberation Army Air Force, China has released a video showing the GJ-11 tailless drone flying for the first time. The video shows a GJ-11 stealth drone being pulled out of a hangar. In flight, the GJ-11 is accompanied by a Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter jet and a J-16D electronic warfare jet. The film referred to the GJ-11 as Xuanlong, meaning Black Dragon or Mysterious Dragon, while the J-20 was called by its nickname Weilong, meaning Mighty Dragon. A fighter pilot in the video says Weilong 01 received, already collaborating with Xuanlong. The J-20 and GJ-11 are believed to share a data link, and both are stealth fighters. The GJ-11 can be controlled from the ground and also can be linked with J-20 to extend its firepower. There is speculation that the drone could play the role of a loyal wingman for PLA, acting as a vanguard for fighter jets and expendable decoy for combat and strikes. Few global military powers are known to be pursuing this cutting-edge air combat technology. The race between China and the United States to develop next generations unmanned combat aerial vehicles is going into overdrive, with the rest of the world trailing. News reports of major new milestones, first flights, or new concepts are becoming a seemingly daily or at least weekly occurrence.